How to set up Postscript on Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Postscript on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Postscript, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Postscript, it is a powerful SMS marketing platform exclusively designed for Shopify stores, in which Postscript provides acquisition tools such as pop-ups, banners, QR codes, and keywords to attract subscribers. It also offers advanced automation and segmentation capabilities, allowing merchants to target customers precisely with over 60 filters, and the platform prioritizes TCPA compliance to ensure ethical engagement with subscribers. And Postscript integrates with several popular Shopify apps including Georgia's, Zendesk, Kendo, Klaviyo, and Yotpo, with over 6,000 users, including well-known brands like Arizona Iced Tea, Brookline, and Dead Fish Coffee. And now to start using this platform, you could also click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner, and you will be able to be directed on this page. And to create your account, you can simply enter here your first name, last name, email address, and for this website, just go to your Shopify online store and simply copy this link. Then just go back in here and paste your website in here. Then just enter your company name and click Try Now button to proceed. Then you will be able to be directed on this page under Shopify App Store, in which it will show you here the overview of Postscript and also some of the features it offers. And now to proceed, just click the Install button, and upon clicking on it, we will be able to be directed on this page right here, in which the next thing that we need to do is to simply click Install again right here. And after clicking Install, we will now be able to be directed on this page or on this dashboard of Postscript. But under this welcome page, just scroll down until you find this continue button to proceed. Then from this setup process, all you need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information, including your first name, last name, your phone number, your email address, and answer the question, where did you hear about them? What is your main goal for installing today? So after filling out all of the required information and answering some of these questions, you can now proceed by clicking the continue button below here to proceed. Make sure that you also check these boxes or circle that indicate that you agree to the terms of service. Now moving on, the next thing that we need to do from here under compliance TCPA is to simply check the circle right here that you agree you have watched the video and understand that per TCPA and other details about the video. And by clicking continue button below under terms of service, just check these boxes if you understand the terms of service and click the continue button below to proceed. Now moving on under privacy, from here you could also do the same thing, which is check these boxes that indicate that you have added the above to your shop's privacy policy. And upon clicking continue button, now under carrier verification, from here you could also verify some carriers or choose any kind of carriers in here. Then just click continue button to proceed. Now moving on to design under logos and colors, from here you could also set up and customize your branding, including the logo images, shop name, background color, button text, color, and many more. Then just click the continue button to proceed. And after that, under keywords, from here you could also set up the subscribe keyword. With here also the 10% off keyword that we could also customize in here. And let's say we've now done customizing our keyword. To proceed, just click the continue button below here. Now moving on, under this automation or review, you could also turn on and off other automations recommended in here, including abandoned cart, shipping notification, loyalty, product back in stock, and many more. And to proceed, just click the continue button in here. And after that, we'll now be able to proceed under acquisition, where we could also customize mobile pop-up, desktop pop-up, and checkout page. And now to continue the dashboard, just click this button below. And now that we are in our dashboard, from here it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that we can start navigating, including search, dashboard, messaging, acquisition, and many more. And as you can see under these pop-ups, you'll be able to see here the website pop-ups, including the number of impression, engagement, phone, email, and if it is active or not. While under this dashboard, this serves as a central hub for monitoring and managing SMS marketing campaigns, in which it provides analytics and insights into the performance of various campaigns, allowing merchants to track key metrics such as revenue, ROI, and subscriber engagement. And from here, you could also create an automation by clicking this one. And to choose how to build your automation, you have the choices to Flow Builder or Legacy. After choosing how to build your automation, you will be able to be directed on this page, in which it will also show you the two choices, which is to create new automation or with template. And after selecting your chosen automation template or process, we can now proceed by filling out all of the required information and customizing the automation that we prefer. Now going back on this page right here. Aside from that, below here, we could also navigate under this dashboard some of the overview and also upcoming campaigns that are listed in here. And aside from that, below, it will also show us the top performing automations, the campaign subscribers, and other given data in here. Now moving on the left side panel, we could also navigate here the messaging and the campaigns in which it serves as central hub for creating and managing SMS marketing campaigns. It allows merchants to design and send targeted messages to their customers and subscribers. And to create new campaign on this pop-up window, just choose a specific kind of message templates. So for instance, I'm going to choose this Valentine's kind message templates. Then click the confirm button to proceed. And now from here, we can now proceed by simply customizing the content of our messages in here. So you can simply highlight in order to change some other content on this context. And from here on the right side panel, it will show you how it looks like when a customer read or receive this kind of message. And under segment, you could also choose what kind of segment that you prefer. We have here 30+ days, no contact, AB group 1 of 2, and many more. And aside from that, below here, if you scroll down, we could also check these boxes in order to add reply, stop to unsubscribe, and click save and continue to preview the campaigns that we just create. Now moving on, aside from campaigns, we could also navigate on the left side panel these automations by simply clicking on it. This option allows merchants to set up and trigger messages that are sent to customers based on specific actions or events, such as placing an order, abandoning a cart, or subscribing to a list. And to start creating an automation, you could also click Create Automation button on the top right corner, then just fill out all of the required information to do so. And now under these segments, this option allows merchants to define specific criteria to segment their subscriber base, enabling them to send highly personalized and relevant messages. And from here, you can also select different kind of criteria. We have here average order value to choose equal and other value in here. You could also add a rule if you want to, and adding other criteria that you prefer. Which segments can be used for various purposes, such as welcoming new customers, re-engaging inactive subscribers, promoting products to specific demographics, or even testing different messaging approaches. Now moving on the left side panel, you could also navigate this acquisition, in which it serves as a central hub for managing customer acquisition strategies through SMS marketing campaigns. It allows merchants to leverage various features to attract new customers and grow their subscriber base. Now moving on to analytics, this option provides merchants with aggregate overview of their message performance, broken down into various criteria such as revenue, unsubscribes, and other key metrics. While under apps, you could also navigate here all of the apps that you can install or integrate on this platform. Here MailChimp, CartHook, Tijo, Junip, and many more. Wherein you could also navigate the affiliate automation conversion if you want to start earning commission or money on this platform. But overall, that is just basically how you can set up Postscript on Shopify. Thank you.